Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we can apply this one, go to this one, and that is about 2 cosine of s plus 8 over number 2 and cosine of s minus 8 over number 2. Next, we put number 2 go outside. Next, we need to multiply by sine 8 on numerator and denominator. About 8, that is about 8 over number 2 and 8 over number 2. Next, we need to add about s over number 2. Later that, we need to minus about s over number 2. Now, we can do about factorization by s over number 2 minus 8 over number 2. And now, we have the formula in here. So this one that is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. So we have like this. So we have sine of s over number 2 plus a over number 2 over cosine of s over number 2 a over number 2. And the next one we have the negative sign, and that is about cosine of sine s over number 2 minus a over number 2 over cosine of s over number 2 minus a over number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of this one. The integration of this one, that is about positive, this is number 2, not 1 over 2. Positive number 2 Fn of the absolute value of cosine of s over number 2 minus a over number 2. And I will put about c. So number 2, and number 2, we simplified. This is the end. Thank you for watching.